Hey, this is Coach Crawford, and today I want to talk about one of the greatest superpowers that you possess. Yes, you have a great superpower, and this power is what we call focus. The power of focus. Now, to some, it may not seem like it's a big deal, but for those who are trying their best to accomplish their dreams and chasing after your goals, focus is a major element in order for you to be successful. You know, it is so easy to say, you know what, I'm going to lay out my day. I'm going to plan my day the way that I want to. I'm going to wake up in the morning and I'm going to do any morning exercises or different things. And what happens is you wake up and something throws you off. You either oversleep, you got up too late, or you didn't feel so well, or something had happened that distracted you and caused you to get off of the plan that you already had set in stone. And so what happened is your focus has transitioned from your plans to whatever is happening now. Now that is so easy to do every single day. I know we can't plan our day and we don't know what will happen to kind of cause us to get off track, but let's take it and look at it in accomplishing your plans or your dreams. You know, I know probably a few of you out there may have done vision boards and you had created this wonderful plan of some things that you wanted to do, and it is so wonderful to have those things. But how many of you have actually stopped and said, you know what, let me make a plan on how I can accomplish those goals? Now, it's good to cut out pictures. It's good to print out pictures and copy and paste. You know, that's a great project. But let's take a pen and a pad or an iPad or whatever it is, and let's lay out an actual plan that can kind of help us stay on track. You know, if we don't write out a plan, if we don't have a strategy on how we can accomplish some of our goals, our focus can easily transition from what we want to do to what we're doing right now. And what we're doing right now may not be the very thing that we need to do or would add or assist us into getting to where we want to be. And so it is extremely important that you write out your plans, that you have a strategy, something where those times where you're getting off track and your focus has transitioned somewhere else, there's something in stone that says, hey, let's get back to where you're supposed to be. Let's turn our attention from what's going on then to what's important right now. And so I want to make sure that you take the time to write out a plan, to write out a strategy, and really start to focus on what is really important in your life. I want you to succeed. And hey, I mean, we all want to succeed. And it's extremely important that you utilize the power of focus. Hey, I hope this message was encouraging to you. And you know what? I got a great announcement too. I want to let you know, you're the first ones to know, that a book is coming soon. Yes, I finally accomplished one of the goals that I had put on my vision board, and that is to become an author. So I want you to look forward, look for the book coming. It's entitled I Talk to Myself, So What? And what it is a self-help book or self-development, and it encourages you to be the strong voice in your life. It is going to instruct you and give you the directions on how to learn how to speak life to yourself and how to speak up for yourself and how to encourage yourself when there is no other voice, or when there are too many voices and you don't know which one to listen to know how to recognize your own voice. So I want you to kind of stay connected with us and look forward to our book. Thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget to go to our website at CoachCrawford.com as well as Prosper.com. Follow us on iTunes, subscribe to our podcast as well as like our page. Thanks so much for tuning in. It was so good talking to you. I'm out.